Hello everybody out there, this is VagabondZero, and today I'm going to do an unboxing of the Master Grade Zaku 2. This version is the MS-06J, which is the ground type. Now this is the 2.0 version, so you know. So let's first check out the sides of the box. So you can see right there. This looking Zaku right there. Because of two commander horns. So you can see right there. You can put on the straight version, which you see in the original Gundam series, which is also the same style that Char has. Or you can go with the one that has a bit more detail and it has a little back point. And of course, you can see right there weapons. Tells you the new little gimmick thing about the hoses or wires that are on the sides. Two little fingers, one standing, one sitting. Posing actions. Backpack, missile pots. Inner detail, and of course it tells you the poses it does. Tells you the movement it can do. Also tells you can remove its head, you can move its mono eye. Shoulder action. Cockpit. You can change where the cockpit sits, to the left or the right. A nice standing of the guy with the clear parts. This one does come with the clear parts. So let's check out the parts and everything. So first up is the clear tree. This is all just for one arm. This is the left arm. Next up is the tree that has all the hoses and connectors. And as you can see in the background, there's more stuff. This is the cover for the visor for the mono eye. And I believe these are the lenses for the scopes on the guns. Or weapons, should I say. Like this one's probably for the bazooka. This one's probably for the machine gun. Or you can see back here, there's the cover for the backpack. Some of the stuff for the sides of the shoulder. Side skirts you can see in the back. Some stuff for the feet. I think these are the heels and these are the toes. Some more stuff. I think this is the knee. Next up is more trees, but right here, as you can see, the decals. So you can see it comes in two different sheets. You can see in the back there's the regular clear the sticker decals and plus rub transfers. And of course there's some stuff for the arms. On the other side you can see a lot of things for the inner workings. I don't know what this piece is for. I think this is the leg. And I think these are for the shoulders. Nice little detailing of the pistons. Right here we have the tree that has all the weapons. As you can see right there, here's the parts of the bazooka. Here's the barrel for the machine gun. Here's some of the handles. Scope. The heat hawk. Here's the magazine or drum magazine for the Zaku machine gun. Some more stuff for the machine gun. The trigger for the machine gun. Let me just turn it over here. Back of the bazooka. More stuff for the bazooka. Not part of the machine gun. So on the other side we have more of the inner workings of the Zaku. I don't know if you can make it out, but it's not completely black. Not black, as you can see. It's more of a kind of a maybe like a tint of brown in the black, or maybe it's or more like gunmetal. As you can see right there, there's some fingers. There's the palms. Of course, there's the shoulder. The one on the shoulder has a spike. And of course, you can see right here the fingers.